Hey everyone, welcome back to campus. We're excited to have you back. We've missed you. Let's jump right into it. We're going to do some quarter 3 forecasting today. So make sure you have your Chromebook and a copy of your transcript. All right, so first thing that I need you guys to do is make sure you have a copy of your transcript and a copy of the blank forecasting worksheet. Once you've made sure you have those, log into your email and make sure that you have an email from me that has your current grade. So for example, what you see on the screen here, it says juniors quarter 3 forecasting. You're going to have an email from me that has your grade. So freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors dash quarter 3 forecasting. That'll be a form that I've shared with you. So take a moment now, make sure that you log into your culverbulldogs.net account and find that email and that link. Once you've done that, we're going to just make sure you have that up, ready to go. You're going to have a paper copy of this document right here. I've filled this in as if I was forecasting, and it's going to match up to this transcript. So go ahead and pull out a copy of your transcript. And at the top, you're going to see a photo of yourself, your contact information, things like that. Freshmen, you've probably not ever seen a copy of your transcript, so this is a great opportunity for you to review it. Sophomores through seniors, you've probably seen at least one copy of this, so it should look somewhat familiar, but we'll go through it real quick to make sure that you know what you're looking at. At the top here, you're going to see your freshman year, sophomore year, whatever grade you're in. Your freshman year will be at the top, and then whatever grade you're in will follow down after that. Next to each class that you've taken, it's going to have the credit category on the left, and that will match up down here in the bottom right-hand corner. This is your graduation credit requirements, and you'll see everyone's here is the same, and you'll see what you've required, completed, and remaining. The only thing it doesn't show is what you're currently enrolled in. So that's what this form here is for. I've copied the credit categories, the acronyms, and then all this information you're going to type in. These two columns right here will be filled in for you. Those two right there. The rest of this you're going to fill in on your own according to what it says on your transcript. So you're going to fill these two in. You're going to copy that from your transcript. And then this you're going to write down according to your current quarter 2 schedule. So for example, this person would be enrolled right now in one class of language arts, and that's half a credit, one class from math, that's half a credit, and they're currently enrolled in 2 electives, and that's 1 credit. So then you can kind of project and see what classes you will need to take after quarter 2. Once you've got that filled out, you can take some notes down here. You can say, okay, done with math after this. In this instance, this person would be done with math because they have half remaining, but they're currently taking half. And if they are confident that they'll pass it, they can project that they'll not need to take math again. So you can take some notes down here. That's what this space is for as well. You might see on your transcript, we've had it's just a little goofy with computer apps. So seniors and freshmen, you guys don't need to have computer apps as a graduation category requirement. However, that credit has been redistributed to electives. So you still need the same amount, just not a computer apps requirement because of COVID. Freshmen, you guys don't have the opportunity to take it because we've been off-site. And seniors, you guys took it, more than 90% of you took it, but there are probably a few of you that either needed to retake it or that transferred in after your freshman year. And we felt that it wasn't fair for you guys to obviously not graduate if you didn't have that. So we've just redistributed it to electives, and you'll complete it in that category. Next, we'll go to that link that I talked about before, and these are choices that you'll make based on your graduation requirements. These still have those the acronyms for the credit types, so you can line up and take. You can forecast for the classes that you'll need. These are choices based on your graduation requirements, and we will schedule according to that. So if you choose a class that doesn't line up with your graduation requirements, there is a chance that we will change those. So you need to make sure you fill in your first and your last name, confirm that you've reviewed a copy of your transcript, and then choose your classes based on your transcript and what you have remaining. So I've done that here. I'm not going to go over through it a ton. You guys can see here, and you can go back if you need to. And then at the bottom, there is a spot for notes. Then you can say, can I meet with you to make sure that I'm on track, things like that. If you have questions, concerns, or if you want to meet with me, that would be a great space to put that in. You'll submit it, and you'll also receive a copy of those responses that you put in here, so that you have record of that, of saying, hey, yeah, I asked for this class. Why am I not in it? And then we can go over that. So make sure you're logged in with your culverbulldogs.net account. It'll make things a lot easier for everyone on. All right, guys, that should take care of forecasting. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Hopefully it was informative and helpful. If you have any further questions, you guys as a class can write some up on the whiteboard. If that is helpful, you can email me individually. There are probably some questions that a lot of you have that could be answered either by your teacher, or if I do get the same question from a bunch of you, I'll email out to everybody with some responses. But that should take care of it. Go ahead and get this done now. It should only take you about 15 minutes. Keep the transcript and that worksheet for yourself so that you know. And like I said, just shoot me an email if you have any questions or come see me. Thanks, guys.